Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best butter lettuce mix is probably one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense greens you can add to your diet, offering a delightful combination of tender texture and mild, sweet flavor that elevates any salad or dish it graces. This premium blend, carefully selected for its freshness and vibrant appearance, promises a satisfying crunch and a burst of natural goodness in every bite, making it an indispensable ingredient for health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts alike seeking to enhance their meals with wholesome, delicious produce. Number 5. Organicgirl Butter Baby. Introducing Organicgirl Butter Baby, the perfect spread for your everyday needs. Made with the finest organic ingredients, it's a delicious and healthy choice for your family. We believe in keeping things simple and pure. That's why our spread is made with only the best organic ingredients, ensuring a taste that's both natural and delightful. Whether you're toasting bread, baking cookies, or sautéing vegetables, this spread is incredibly versatile. It enhances the flavor of any dish, making mealtime more enjoyable. Nourish your loved ones with a spread that's as healthy as it is delicious. It's a guilt-free option that supports a balanced diet for everyone. Experience the rich, creamy texture and superior taste that only organic ingredients can provide. Make the switch to a better butter alternative today. What we like. This is a fantastic option for those who prioritize organic and fresh ingredients. Its convenient packaging makes it incredibly easy to add a healthy boost to any meal. If you're looking for a simple way to elevate your salads with high-quality, organic greens, this is the choice for you. What people say. The butter lettuce mix is incredibly fresh and crisp, making it perfect for salads. I love the variety in this mix. It includes different types of lettuce that add great texture and flavor to meals. The leaves are tender and have a mild, slightly sweet taste that complements a wide range of ingredients. Number 4. INBLOOM Organic Salad Green Seed Pod Kit. Introducing the INBLOOM Organic Salad Green Seed Pod Kit. Easily grow a variety of delicious, low-calorie greens and tomatoes right at home. Enjoy a mix of fast lettuce, butter lettuce, and cherry tomatoes. Growing your own food means enjoying salads bursting with fresh flavor and nutrients. Our seed kits are designed to work with most hydroponic systems, including AeroGarden, iDo, and AhopaGarden. Get ready for a fun and rewarding growing experience. We use only premium, non-GMO seeds to ensure quality and safety. Grow your own food with confidence, knowing it's secure and naturally delicious. This kit includes everything you need: seeds, grow baskets, sponges, domes, plant food, and more. We make growing simple and fun for everyone. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer excellent customer service to assist you on your gardening journey. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This product is perfect for the aspiring home gardener or anyone who loves the idea of growing their own food. It provides everything you need to start a hydroponic garden, including multiple types of lettuce and even cherry tomatoes. If you're looking for a fun, educational, and rewarding way to produce fresh, low-calorie food right in your home, this kit is an excellent starting point. What people say. The butter lettuce mix is fresh and crisp. Great variety of greens in the mix. The leaves are tender and flavorful. Number 3. Homegrown 500 plus heirloom lettuce seeds. Discover a gardener's dream with over 11,500 heirloom lettuce seeds. This collection offers 10 popular varieties, perfect for any salad lover. You'll receive 10 distinct varieties, including romaine, buttercrunch, iceberg, kale, and spinach. It's everything you need for a vibrant organic salad garden. Our seeds are non-GMO and sourced with premium USA quality. They come in waterproof, resealable pouches to ensure maximum freshness. Even if you're new to gardening, these seeds are perfect for you. A detailed planting guide and bonus plant markers are included to help you succeed. Enjoy fresh greens year-round, no matter your setup. Plant them outdoors, indoors, or even in hydroponic systems for a continuous harvest. This complete salad green seed collection makes an ideal gift for chefs, home gardeners, and anyone passionate about growing their own food. What we like. For the serious salad enthusiast or the gardener who wants maximum variety, this is the ultimate seed collection. With over 11,500 seeds spanning 10 different heirloom varieties, you'll have an abundance of greens to experiment with. If you appreciate heirloom quality, enjoy a wide selection, and want to grow a diverse range of lettuces and greens, this bulk pack is an unbeatable value. What people say. The butter lettuce mix is fresh and crisp. It has a good mix of different types of lettuce. The leaves are tender and have a mild flavor. Number 2. Homegrown 8 variety lettuce seed mix. Get a complete variety pack of 8 popular lettuce seeds, perfect for planting outdoors or in hydroponic systems. Enjoy a diverse selection for your garden. These are premium, non-GMO, heirloom seeds with high germination rates. You can plant them for fresh salad greens year-round, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Planting these seeds is simple with our detailed guide. They thrive in most growing conditions, whether in garden beds or containers. These seeds are incredibly versatile, perfect for hydroponic gardens, raised beds, or containers. Grow them in any season for fresh greens. Our seeds come in waterproof, resealable pouches to preserve freshness. They make a great gift for any gardening enthusiast. This pack isn't just lettuce. You'll also find kale and spinach seeds, expanding your homegrown greens collection. What we like. This option is ideal for those who want a good variety of greens without an overwhelming quantity, and who appreciate the ability to harvest multiple times. The cut and come again feature ensures a continuous supply of fresh lettuce. If you're a home gardener looking for a reliable and versatile mix that provides ongoing harvests throughout the season, this is a great choice. What people say. The butter lettuce mix is fresh and crisp. This butter lettuce mix has a good variety of greens. The leaves are tender and have a mild flavor. Number 1. Taco Tuesday Deluxe 8-inch Quesadilla Maker. Introducing the Taco Tuesday Deluxe 8-inch Quesadilla Maker. Its unique cooking plate creates 6 sectional pieces, sealing in all your favorite flavorful ingredients for the perfect quesadilla. This maker features an extra stuffing latch. It adjusts to 2 positions, allowing you to make thin or extra thick stuffed quesadillas with ease. With its generous 8-inch cooking surface, you can cook up to 6 delicious wedges in just minutes. Enjoy quick and easy meal preparation. 2 indicator lights let you know exactly when it's powered on and when it's perfectly preheated. Get started on your culinary creations without the guesswork. Cleanup is a breeze. Once you're finished enjoying your homemade quesadillas, simply wipe down the non-stick cooking surface for quick and easy maintenance. What we like. This appliance is designed for anyone who loves quick, easy, and perfectly portioned quesadillas. The unique design seals and ingredients, and the adjustable latch accommodates generous fillings. If you're looking for a convenient way to make delicious quesadillas for family meals or parties, especially for those who enjoy customizing their fillings, this maker is a must-have. What people say. The butter lettuce mix is incredibly fresh and crisp, with a delightful mild flavor that complements any salad. This mix contains a good variety of tender lettuce leaves, including butter lettuce, red leaf, and green leaf, offering a beautiful color and texture to dishes. The leaves are perfectly sized for wraps and sandwiches, holding up well without becoming soggy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.